Hey everybody, got a Ram Eco Diesel. This right here is what we're going to talk about today. This is the baffle, goes into the intake. That sits right in behind here and right at the tips of my fingers. So when you're looking at your air box right after the boot, the one plastic piece, the second piece is where it's going to be in. It's fairly easy to be able to get in there and undo the clamps. You'll see this in there. At first it'll just look like that, but there is a little tab right there. Get a screwdriver in there and just pop it out. You won't break nothing, it will come out. Take a little bit of force. That's how you get more turbo. A little bit more turbo whistle. Kind of opens it up in there. What this baffle does is it quiets down the airflow, but by doing so it also restricts it. So if you want a little bit more turbo noise and you want just maybe a tad bit more power, it helps.